Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today, we're going to be doing another red ink from Diamine. Diamine Little Tam. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. This is our comparison panel. It is a nice dark-ish red. And here is our ink swatch that will go to inkswatch.com later on today. Clean it up just a bit. Leaking. Anyway, it has some nice gold sheen going on. So that's cool. Here is our ink splotch. Looks nice. And here is our toilet paper chromatography. All I see is one continuous reddish orange. And then right around the outside is like a lighter reddish orange. So, that's cool. Let's do some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear Memo Book from Walmart.com. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. .52 GSM Tomoe River paper. Nice sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Rhodia dot pad. 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco-Qua 85 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. No feathering. No lots of bleeding and ghosting. I would not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Mead wide rolled notebook paper. It does look like it's trying to feather into the page, and it did bleed through. I would not use the backside of this paper. Oxford College rolled notebook paper. Nice sheen. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. A smaller amount of sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. No sheen. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Alright, let's do a comparison panel. This is Diamine Tam. We're going to look at some reds and some other inks. This is Diamine Tam next to Sailor Manyo Umi. Diamine Deep Dark Red. Robert Ostra Asterkiza Rot. KWZ Thief's Red. Diatomentus Document Red. Kaveco Ruby Red. Maltaverdi Blueberry Muffin. Ferris Wheel Press Royal Rhubarb. KWZ Red No. 1. Maltaverdi Passion Burgundy. Maltaverdi Cherry Danish. Diamine Oxblood. Colorverse Hubble Zoom. Colorverse Dark Energy. Pure Pens Codwalder. Noodler's Black Swan and English Roses. Tatcha Aka Red. Stipula Florentine Red. Noodler's Rattler's Red Eel. Monteverdi Love Red. Monteverdi Valentine Red. Ackerman Charlac and Von Janstein. Pilot Red. Diatramentus Document Red. Ferris Wheel Press Algonquin Maple. Diamine Red Robin. Colorverse Alpha Scorpy. Diamine Firestorm. Sailor Irori. Diamine Coral. Maltaverdi Strawberry Shortcake. Diamine Flamingo Pink. Uli Red. Parker Quink Red. Krishna Primary Red. Waterman Audacious Red. Diamine Vermilion. Colorverse Felicity Glistening. And Hero Red No. 201. Well, what did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a red ink with some gold sheen? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So, take care until then. Okay, love you, bye!